Hello and welcome. This is Master Woo on behalf of TaekwonWoo.net. Are you a little confused while you're preparing for your X kick, 내려차기, whether you should bring your leg straight up or bend prior to execute? In this video, let me clarify for you in what situation how you can use this kick differently. Batch! The answer is quite simple. This is all about the distance between you and your opponent. Let's take a look at this case. Here in this case, between Bobby and I have a quite distance, which is allowing me to bring my leg straight up and down without any interruption. But I do have one problem. I may not able to actually hit the target, which is you need to alter or manipulate your footwork so you actually get closer to be able to hit the target. I want you to completely rotate your leg on the ground and put your hips deep inside and lean forward to execute your kick in case if you want to use your leg straight up and down. Alright, now let's take a look at the case that I'm staying much closer than previous case, which is I may not able to bring my leg straight up without touching, right? This is a way too close. In this case, you need to bring your leg up with a bend your knee and extend it right front over the target and execute. Alright, here's one more thing I want you to keep in mind. Even though you have a quite longer distance, it is quite recommended to bring your leg up while folding your knee if you want to be versatile. In case if your partner is getting closer towards you while you're preparing your kick, situation might change from longer distance to shorter distance. In this case, it will allow you to transfer your kick from X kick to pushing kick, for example. Say you're about to perform your X kick, but you may be able to change to pushing kick. Alright, that's all there is to it. I want you to go out and have fun to practice. I will see you next time.